Welcome to Learning with the Girlfriends, Basics for Beginners. Today we're going to learn how to safely insert and remove your needle. I'm going to be demonstrating on a Janome 2030 DC. Changing the needle on your machine may look a little different, but overall the process is the same on any sewing machine. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so before we get into changing the needle, I want to make sure and point out a couple things. That it is important to know that you are putting this needle in the correct direction. If you take a closer look at the needle, there is a round side to it, and then if I flip it over, this actually is a flat side. Now the flat side is always going to go towards the back of the machine. So just make sure that when you insert this into the machine, the round is facing front and the flat is in the back. Inserting the needle is actually very simple, but the first thing that you want to do is make sure and turn off the machine. That's to avoid any accidents of maybe that machine needle going down into your finger. And you'll notice right here, there's this little window because we want to make sure that the needle is all the way up to the very top, that I cannot go any further on inserting this up towards the top. If you don't see that needle poking through that little window, that means it's not up far enough. Once it's there, have it go towards the right. So once that is nice and tight, you can even take an additional screwdriver just to make sure that it's as tight as it will go. And then we'll go ahead, turn the machine back on, place our presser foot in place, thread that machine, and you're ready to go sew. Thanks for learning with the girlfriends, and happy sewing! Be sure to like and follow my Girlfriends Quilt Shop for even more helpful sewing, embroidery, and quilting content.